Wait, before you click that join button for LiveGood, there are a few very important things you need to know, or you might waste your time and money. Most people make these 3 mistakes when joining LiveGood and they end up quitting before they even get started. I don't want that to happen to you. So watch this video all the way through. Hey, my name is Jason Williams and I've been with LiveGood since some months. I've helped people from all over the world get started the right way, and today, I'm going to walk you through the 3 things you must understand before joining LiveGood, and how to set yourself up for success from day 1. Mistake number 1. Joining under the wrong person. You see, a lot of people rush to sign up under the first link they see on TikTok or YouTube or other social media platform. But here's the truth. Your sponsor matters. Some sponsors don't offer any training, support, or guidance. You're basically on your own. But others like myself actually give you systems, marketing help, and step-by-step training to grow your business fast. So ask yourself, who do you want in your corner when you start? Mistake number 2. Thinking LiveGood is a get-rich-quick scheme. Yes, the compensation plan is powerful. Yes, people are making money every week. But it's not magic. You still need to show up, learn, and take action. LiveGood rewards consistency, not hype. If you treat it like a real business, you can create real income. But if you're just chasing spillover and expecting free money, you'll be disappointed. Mistake number 3. Ignoring the products. LiveGood isn't just an affiliate program. It's a health and wellness company with seriously good supplements, nutrition, and personal care products, all at wholesale prices. If you join just for the money, you're missing the full value. Try the products, share your results, and you'll build trust and customers naturally. Here's a bonus tip: don't wait to feel ready. You'll never feel 100% ready. Take the leap, plug into a team that supports you, and learn as you go. Action beats perfection every time. You'll join my team, get access to my private resources, and I'll personally guide you every step of the way. Again, don't join LiveGood the wrong way. Join the smart way. Don't forget to like, comment, share and subscribe and drop your questions in the comments. I reply to everyone personally. LiveGood Compensation Plan Explained. 2025 How to promote LiveGood on social media. Don't join LiveGood until you watch this, until you are ready to break through financial challenges. Like this video, subscribe, and drop a comment if you have questions. I've got your back. See you inside.